Hi friends! Are you looking for a creative way to kickstart your 2025? Well, I would love to invite you to a brand new workshop that I'll be hosting this January. It's a 5-day online workshop where we'll be painting flowers of the year. Over the course of an entire week, you'll paint 12 stunning floral designs, all in different styles, and each to represent a different month. If you've never picked up a paintbrush before, or you've always wanted to try painting, then this is the perfect opportunity to get started. Or if you're more advanced painter and you're looking for new ways to approach flowers, then this workshop is perfect for you. I've now taught thousands of people my simple approach to painting flowers, so I know this is totally possible for you too. So tickets are just $10 for an entire week of instruction, and I cannot wait to be painting with you. Just click the link and I'll see you there.